Hey, I'm in the game. Fortnite Battle Royale. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Feel free to send me a friend request. We can play some Fortnite together. Streamer, by the way. Stairs, am I right? Yep. If you hear a voice in the background, that's just my brother. Quick shot. Yep. Come back here. Try hard mode. Try hard mode. I'd rather be tomato or burger, I don't mind. Burger. I like being burger more. But this guy does have a mustache. So I don't really mind. Snoop! Snoop! Build the battle. What? How'd that happen? I was 23 meters up. Like, how did I even get 23 meters up? That's not even high. Please subscribe. No. Hey. Nope. Oh, damn. I want to just try juke it. But damn, man. Thought it was ours. For a second there. My knee's really itchy for some reason. Mosquitoes. Stop. Man, that dusk is smart. Nope. That did not work for me. She's getting a lot of eliminations. Bruh, I've only got 3. What the hell? What the hell, dude? People are too good at this game now. I don't even have 1 win on PC. How? He just quick scoped me. Like, what the hell, dude? What the poop? What the holy poop? I smell perfume. Nope, no trap. just constantly look above you if enemies do this. Nope. They must have destroyed them all. Hey, we're winning. By 1%. No. I don't want to be trapped in the triangle. Where is that enemies? Oh, they're down below, they're down below. Nope. They're up above. Got him. Damn it! How? I'm on 4 kills at least. Wait, do I have a turret is the question. Actually, no, I don't have a turret. The storm is keeping up with me or something? Oh, I'm pressing E. I'll do that sometimes. E's not my forward button. W is for Y. Why always W, A, S, and D? Oh, damn it. How did we place second? Okay, everybody, please like, favorite, and subscribe. If you guys comment something nice about me, I will heart and like your comment. So, like, favorite, and subscribe. Comment, like.